When you think of tools, your mind probably jumps to the trusty toolbox. For many, it's a symbol of hands-on work, whether in construction, mechanics, or home repairs. However, if you've spent any time around a workshop or garage, you know that there's a whole world of options beyond the standard toolbox. One of the biggest distinctions people encounter is between a toolbox and a tool chest. Today, we're diving into what sets toolboxes and tool chests apart. They serve different purposes, and understanding these differences can significantly impact your efficiency and organization, helping you decide which one is the right fit for your needs. Welcome to the History of Simple Things, where we delve into the fascinating history behind the little things that shape our world. Let's start with the toolbox. Traditionally, a toolbox is a portable container designed to hold a limited selection of tools. It's usually compact, equipped with a handle for easy carrying, and built to be strong and durable. Toolboxes come in various sizes and materials: plastic, metal, and even some composite options. For many people, a toolbox is an introduction to tool storage. It's perfect for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals who need to carry a basic selection of tools to various job sites. One of the biggest advantages of a toolbox is its portability. Most toolboxes are designed to be lifted and carried without much effort, making them ideal for situations where mobility is key. Inside, they often have a single compartment or a removable tray for small parts, fasteners, or tiny tools, while the larger area holds tools like hammers, screwdrivers, and pliers. This basic design makes it easy to grab and go, allowing you to take on minor repairs or projects without lugging around unnecessary weight or searching through excessive compartments. Now let's shift our focus to tool chests. Unlike the portable toolbox, a tool chest is usually much larger and stationary. It's designed to hold a wide range of tools and equipment, often in a systematic, organized way. Tool chests are common in professional workshops, garages, or any setting where a wide assortment of tools is necessary. Because of their size, they're often found on wheels or as part of a tool storage system with drawers, compartments, and sometimes even locking mechanisms to keep tools safe. A typical tool chest consists of several drawers of varying depths, allowing for organization by tool size, type, or frequency of use. These chests are typically made from metal to withstand the weight of the tools and the environment they're often kept in. Some models have built-in security features, such as locks on each drawer or a central locking system. Tool chests are more than just storage. They provide an efficient way to keep an extensive collection of tools organized and accessible. When it comes to size and capacity, toolboxes and tool chests are at opposite ends of the spectrum. Toolboxes are compact and intended to carry a modest selection of tools. They're not built to store everything you own, but to house the essentials you need for quick tasks. Tool chests, on the other hand, are designed with a much larger storage capacity. They're typically bigger and can handle multiple layers of tools, with designated drawers for different types of items. The choice between a toolbox and a tool chest in terms of size boils down to your specific needs. If you're a professional who works with a broad range of specialized tools, a tool chest is more suitable. The expansive capacity ensures you have the right tool for the job without clutter or having to dig through a small box. But if you're a DIY enthusiast or a homeowner doing minor repairs, the toolbox's compactness is more practical. It keeps things simple, light, and easy to carry. Tool chests have the advantage when it comes to organization. Each drawer in a tool chest can be dedicated to a particular type of tool or organized by size, allowing for quick and easy access. For instance, you might have one drawer for wrenches, another for screwdrivers, and another for specialty tools. This organization system makes it easier to find what you need without sifting through a pile. Tool chests also provide space for items like sockets, screws, and drill bits, keeping everything neatly in its place. In contrast, a toolbox's organization is limited. Most toolboxes have a single compartment or, at best, a removable tray. You can separate a few smaller items or store certain tools at the top, but it lacks the comprehensive organization system a tool chest provides. A toolbox is meant for quick and basic use, so it doesn't offer the same degree of accessibility for a large tool collection. If organization is a priority for you, a tool chest structure is likely a better fit. One of the most significant distinctions between a toolbox and a tool chest is portability. Toolboxes are explicitly designed to be portable. Whether you're taking it to a different room in the house, moving it around a construction site, or loading it in the back of a truck, a toolbox is easy to grab and go. This portability is why toolboxes are favored for jobs that require moving tools to different locations. On the other hand, tool chests are stationary, and while many come with wheels, they're not meant for frequent travel. Tool chests are better suited for garages, workshops, or other fixed locations where tools remain in one place. The wheels help move them around within a workspace, but they're far from being portable in the same way as a toolbox. If you're someone who needs to travel frequently with your tools, a toolbox is the way to go. But if you work in a fixed location, a tool chest provides better organization and capacity. So, which one is better? A toolbox or a tool chest? It all depends on what you need. A toolbox is perfect for portability and handling quick basic tasks with a selection of essential tools. It's ideal for hobbyists, homeowners, and anyone who needs a lightweight, easy-to-carry option. A tool chest, however, is the preferred choice for anyone managing a larger tool collection or working from a fixed location. Its size, organizational features, and durable build make it perfect for professional or serious hobbyist use. Ultimately, choosing the right storage solution for your tools can enhance your efficiency and make your work experience smoother. By understanding the key differences between a toolbox and a tool chest, you can make a more informed decision tailored to your work style and needs. Whether you go for the mobility of a toolbox or the extensive storage of a tool chest, having the right setup can make all the difference. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.